All right, guys, we got a Lincoln MKS. This is a 3.5 liter. Here we go. We had a lot of videos of taking out this bulb cover, intake, timing cover, everything. So now you can see that the primary main chain is out, and then we clock the time. We got the tool right here. It's locked in place. TDC. Same thing with that one. Top dead center. Cylinder number 1 over here. TDC. Now we're gonna take out this sprocket right here. This 2 sprocket. Intake and exhaust. Same thing on the other side. Intake and exhaust. So we could replace the chain and the tensioner. Here's a new one right there. Here's a chain. 2 chain. 2 sprocket brand new. And then 2 tensioner right there. Especially you had to replace the bolt as well. What size is this one? Is T55. That's the tools that you're gonna use. All right, so let's start taking it out. Make sure this tool holds in here because it's gonna spin out on you. Yes, yeah. Next one. So this thing lift up when we trying to move this breaker bar to the back. This thing lift up, it doesn't stay. So see, look, it lifts right here. So yeah, see, it lifts up. Trying to push it down with our hand, nothing. So go back. We're gonna have to clamp this down with this pipe wrench. Here's the pipe wrench right here. We're gonna clamp it down. Okay, we don't want this tools to move up. Hopefully this will hold down. All right, we're gonna hold the pipe wrench down so that it will push this tool down. Okay, go ahead. Keep an eye on it. Yes. Yeah, I like that sound. That cracking sound is good. All right, perfect. So do same thing on the other side, on the bank number 1. Do the same thing. The bolt right there is easy to come out. So we're just gonna take out those couple bolts right there, and then we'll put a brand new one, chain, tensioner, and sprockets. Okay, just gonna quickly show you guys this. Here's the chain right there. See the mark? We're looking at the back end of this sprocket. See that keyway on this side and keyway on that side? Yeah, those are pointing up, and then there's a mark on the chain, and that's how you mark this cam chains together when you put a brand new one. Now it's time to take out this 2 bolt right here. There's a tool that you push this down, and there's a you put a mark, and then you put some kind of pin in there, but I don't have the pin, can't find it. This is where the keyway goes in.
Yeah.
This is where the keyway goes in.
Yeah.
And then right there.
Okay.
You can't mess it up. It's only go one way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's the other one.
We need this for garbage, right?
Yeah. All right, let's clean this up with a rag. Clean it up. We'll put a brand new one after. But first, let's take out the other side here. Same thing, same procedure. Take this out so that we could take out that bolt right here for these guides, and then after that, we'll take out the water pump.
Yeah. Garbage.
All right, so those 2 bolts are cracked loose. This one is not bad. It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
So let's quickly take those out, everything, take it out, and then we have lots of area here to work on, and we'll take out this bolt right here for the guides, and after that we'll take out all the bolts for the water pump. All right, make sure to take out those 2 bolts for the tensioner, and everything should be loose. Take it out.
Okay, I take like that first. Yeah, now.
There you go.
Yeah.
Good job. The hole right there, okay? Those are when you put it on that pin right there. And they're facing 12 o'clock. And that's time right there. You don't mess it up. Easy. That's it.